guys. I just wanted to show some of you that have already typed up your fictional story. If you have already typed it up, then you don't need to retype it up or to create anything new. But I want to show you how you can put that Google document in here without having to retype everything. Okay, so if you haven't typed it up yet, you're going to come here, click on Google Doc, and type up your story. Okay, but if you've already typed it up and it's already in, like, if you already have it saved in your rough draft or maybe in the edit, then I'm going to show you how you can just get it here without having to redo it all. Okay, so stick with me. Okay, so if it's in your edit, or maybe it's in your rough draft, wherever it's located at, go there. Okay, open that assignment. Okay, here is my fictional story. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open up my Google document. Okay, here's my story. Okay, what you need to do is come up to the top. Okay, click on your link. This whole thing should be pink or colored in some way. Okay, if it's not and it's just white, then you need to double click it and highlight the whole entire thing. The whole thing has to be highlighted. Okay, and then you're going to come up to here and click copy. Okay, we need to copy that entire link. Okay, once you have that, you can go back to your Google Classroom. Okay, you can go to Final Draft, open it, go to Add or Create, click on it, but instead of creating a Google document, we're going to add a link. Okay, so you're going to click on Link, and it's going to come here. It's going to say Add Link. You need to come up here, Edit, Paste. It's going to paste in that URL that holds your Google document. And once it gets done loading, now your story is right here. Okay, you don't have to retype everything up. It'll just be right there, and then you can turn it in. Okay. Okay, if you need questions, or if you have questions or you need some help, okay, don't be afraid to ask me. Thanks, guys.